What if I told you there's a way you can improve your health and feel better? We learn more from Jim Allen of Quality Urgent Care in McCook.
We opened in 2009 and essentially I saw a deficit in the ability to people get health care quick. So we offer a walk-in medical services, and initially we were kind of focused on urgent care alone, but now we do primary care, and so it's been 11 years and it's going well. So we just recently started offering, it's called the BioT method, which is a method where we monitor and track your hormones, and we try to optimize those with pellet therapy. So we've just started that in the last year, essentially, and it seems to be going really well. Patients really like it. We have about over 90% of people return to continue that therapy because it makes them feel so much better. So people suffering from fatigue and low mood, anxiousness, as you age and grow older, your hormones start to kind of fall, and so this helps optimize them and get them back up kind of where we want them, and it makes a big difference in our health. So.
Talk to me a little bit more about how that works, how the process of identifying some of those things to optimize it.
Right, so for the most part, from the patient's aspect, it comes from their symptoms. So people have, a lack of libido or fatigue, or notice their skin's getting thin and wrinkly, and they come in for a consultation. We kind of visit with them about those problems. Typically it comes up in the midst of other medical issues that they're there for, but if they're interested in it, we start with some lab work. So we draw some labs and look at where their hormones at, their thyroid hormones, their testosterone, estrogen, just generalized blood work. If those hormones aren't optimized, we talk to them about what we can do to get those optimized. We also offer some nutraceuticals which can help with some of those things, like vitamin D deficiency, B12 deficiency. Most people are deficient in iodine, which is really important for their thyroid function. So we kind of visit and talk about those things that can be used for that.
Now, if you'd like more information, you can contact Quality Urgent Care of McCook by visiting their website. It's qualityurgentcare.org.